this is Shreyal, such a positive personality in this world, and today we are going to have a photo shoot of Shreyal Ahir, my little sister. It's gonna be a birthday shoot, so yeah, we're going to Shivani did this for her makeup, and then we're gonna shoot some pictures there. I'm taking you guys with me, so yay! So I ran outside, but I forgot the mask, so I gotta come in. Where's my mask though? Yeah, found him. Gotta wear a mask, you guys. Corona is so serious. Nandini is not home, I think. It's not your home. But Rashmi Didi is here. Say hi to the vlog, Rashmi Didi. Hi. Hi, hi. Hi, guys. That is my case, you guys. This is Aji and Maushi. Hi. Finally, they're here. Oh my god, that is our makeup artist. Yes. And that's Manju Mami, you guys. Yes. That is Sabu Maushi, and that is the star of the show, Urvashi. Here, you guys. She's my best friend, by the way. And you guys, they're saying that we should start early. So, are you gonna sit? Yes. अभी तो इतनी ही कहीं से. So Shivani Didi started doing Shreyal Ahir's makeup, and me, Rashmi Didi, Uru, Raghu were just chatting and laughing and having a great time. Now we're eating pohas while it tastes. And Shivani Didi crimpled Shrudi's hair. And look at all these products Shivani Didi have. Like, oh my god. Everything. Awesome. She's a professional now. We're going to start her face makeup and Shruti wearing the dress. Oh my god, look who's here! Oh my god! See guys, this is Ishu. This is Shubham. Ruchi Didi. All the gang is here, you guys. Raghu and Shubham loves to tease Uru. It's the most funniest thing to see. These guys are the worst. Oh my god. Okay, now it was my turn, right? These guys are literally crazy, but we're like a family, so. Ishu! So Ishu was playing this game and he was not able to figure it out, so everybody came in and we're like figuring out how to play that game, and yeah, it was fun. The eyes are done, you guys. Then we had like a bone cracking session. Then it was Shubham's turn. Now it was Raghu's turn, and this is a new technique. Oh shit! What's going on, you guys? It's looking gorgeous. Like, oh my god, look at that. We're just looking really good. They're doing the hairs because the face is done, and she's looking real nice. I showed you. Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Okay guys, so we are done for the day, and Shivani Didi did a great job, like literally. You can book Shivani Didi also. She is a certified artist. She's a makeup and hair stylist. Go follow her Instagram account, Shivani Amle Sarnaik.
Wait.
Amle. Hoga? Sorry. Shivani Sarnaik Amle. So go please follow her guys. I'm gonna leave because we're done for the day. I'm gonna look how she's having her dinner. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, subscribe, and share my video with your friends if you like me and my videos. Bye and I love you.